Hi, it's Ian from Jobu Design and welcome to our top 20 frequently asked questions. Question number 4, how do I select a lens plate for my lens? So we're going to start right off the top by explaining the easiest way to pick a lens plate for your lens is to go to our website www.jobu-design.com. In the top right hand corner you will see a link with our lens plate selection chart. Click on that and you can find a list of common lenses and the lens plates that we recommend for them. If you don't see your lens on there, feel free to email us at sales@jobu-design.com and we will help you out and help you select the best plate for your usage. We have one important piece of safety information to give you as far as installing lens plates onto your lenses. If you have a custom lens plate like the one for the Canon 100-400 IS2, not really much to discuss here. There's only one way to bolt it on and it just locks on with a pocket and a screw. It's very, very straightforward. For something like the Tamron 150-600 only has one mounting hole, and what we see people do all the time is that they do not make use of the tailpiece on the back of the lens plate. Now this tailpiece must contact the heel of the lens foot. Once it's on there, it's absolutely just as tight as a custom plate, but you have to ensure that you do make contact between those. Do not place the plate midway up and hope that one screw will hold it in place forever. As you can see, all of these lenses have a lens foot. Now the lens foot is different, but they all definitely have it, and that's where you attach our lens plates. Now we will often get emails from customers asking us, how do I attach a lens plate to a lens like a 16-35 or a 20mm or any other wide angle lens? Like in this extreme case, I've put on here a pancake lens, which is basically no lens at all. As long as you have a body plate on here, you can still mount it in a gimbal. You need to get a Surefoot clamping plate, which is 6 inches long. It includes a quick release built into it, which is perpendicular. And you can mount that to there. This will let you put the camera body into the gimbal in the fore-aft direction, which still lets you balance it. And you can get your wide angle shots. And it works very, very well. So if you have any other questions about how to install lens plates or how to select them, if you don't see them on our chart, feel free to give us a call or send us an email or leave us a comment in the comment section below. Thank you and have a great day.